Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. You see Dogecoin still consolidating after this recent pump in this triangle formation. We've diagnosed a few times out in the daily and minutely time frame on what's going on. Here's a daily time frame and a super simple, easy way to trade this market. You can see with our industry exclusive, also purchasing tool, like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Our subscriptions have been stagnating. I need you subscribers, just you, to infiltrate other stations and spread the message, hashtag Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, to all the YouTube hustlers, heisters, and charlatans and shills out there that are fleece heisting and shysting the retail trader from VSD, Ohio State University graduates, and the market manipulators from there, right? You see a fake out and then a crash back to lower support, horizontal 1, 2, double bottom 3, fake out 2, and now 3, and now you're straddling. Now that's why we start from the far out time frame in a super simple, easy way, because now you know what we're in, and you can see it's Dogecoin, the time, the price, the EMAs, the exponential moving average, the target position trading alert, and then you can see the volume way down now, right? And that's the pattern that we're in. So that's why you always start from the far out time frame, so you can understand, diagnose, sniff out, and detect, and overt and subvert the subverters and overters. Yes, the criminal gangsters and market manipulators. Because if you don't know where you're coming from, how can you understand with any probability-based way of trading, right? If you don't have an understanding and a knowledge of what has happened to get you to where you're at, right? So we see we're in that, and then we zoom on in a super simple, easy way to trade this manipulated market. And you can see we pumped up beautifully. And then with the Vincenzo watch that we have going on, I cleaned up my chart earlier. We have that up there as we're interacting with upper resistance. And so far we're getting rejected. Now this is either going to continue trading down it and get rejected, or you're going to pop up, right? So we're going to have to keep an eye on that. If it can pop up, we know where our upper target is. It's way up there, right? And if we don't, if we get rejected, we're going to come back down here to the 17 cent level. So we'll keep an eye on that. And Doge, the fucking Dogecoin, right? We'll keep an eye on that. Same thing with XLM is doing the same thing. We broke out of that rising channel. You can see the rising channel is over here. My God. Is over here. Make that bigger. You see that? And then it broke out. Then we bounced off the 200-day moving average in the 3-hour time frame. And then we bounced back up to try to retest that as upper resistance. And we're steadily working our way up with increasing volume. So this is very bullish. And I would tend to say it's going to take and come all the way up there to that upper resistance at about 42 cents, the prior underneath support when it was in the rising channel. You see that? We'll pull out the perching tool again just to show you that real quick. We're going to perch from down there, or up here from wherever. And you can see, that's where I wanted to turn. You can see we double bottomed in the 3-hour time frame. That bottomed right off the 200, but in the 2-hour time frame it dipped a little below it. And you can see this was your overhead support before, or underneath support when you're in the rising channel, and that was your overhead resistance. Now this is your overhead resistance because you broke down out of it right here. But we diagnosed this out with Dogecoin, with the XRP, with the Bitcoin, the Litecoin, and the XLM, that these have all had the same pattern and should pump, and they've all pumped. Litecoin is way up here right now. Litecoin's actually broke back into its channel and broke back north of it, right? This looks to be, at the very least, it's going to come retest this 40 to 42 cent level like we've been warning about and been following. So that's what I will watch out for. If you break down and get below this 200-day moving average in the 3-hour time frame, you're bearish, right? As long as you stay above that, you're bullish. See what I'm saying? So that's what we got going on here in the coin market. We'll keep you updated. The overall market is pretty stagnant today, actually. It's a pretty quiet Sunday. It's a holiday weekend. Stock markets are closed tomorrow. I'm not sure in the U.S. if the Bitcoin market, Bitcoin futures are closed or not. I don't think they are. But there's really not much going on. What the fuck? Get out of full screen. Get into here. You can see Bitcoin's up a little bit. The futures closed higher than the prices now. Who cares about the Bitcoin market cap? Bitcoin SV is up a little bit. XRP is up a little bit. You saw, the Litecoin continues its massive, phenomenal pump. Quanta continues to pump. Quanta continues to pump to that upper resistance. That's why we had that $332 target out there, because it could get up there. But that's why we think the Dogecoin is going to pump, and it's going to pump hard because what these other coins are doing. Oh, we're not even fucking on there anymore. Oh, we are on here. But we think they're going to pump hard, right? Because what the other coins are doing. And we'll keep you updated. We think pumps across the board are going to keep continuing today. Peace and love. Once again, after the 20th of October, no more fan mail will be signed. It'll all be tossed. I just have too much to do. Once again, I repeat, after the 20th of October, all fan mail will be tossed. Nothing else will be signed. I say that again with peace and love. Peace and love.